Yeah, I was running all morning today, delivering bleaching cream, sitting by the subway in the sun. You could tell on my face. Just run up and on the back, making delivery, working, hustling a dollar and two as usual. But I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing to me. The reason why I don't come live because I cannot come live because I got strike for some kind of music I was using, so they say. And bad mind people, all them is. All right, they try to get me off YouTube so they could bring in them who they want to bring in. And they feel if people watch me, nobody watch them. So they try to get me off so people could watch them. You know who the enemies are. But anyway, God is good. I'm great. I'm doing good. I'm making money here and there to put food in my pot. I'm not rich. I don't have a lot of money, but making food in my pot, I could able to eat and I could able to stay alive. So I want to tell you guys, thank you for all your love. Thank you for your fingertip on my subscriber. I want to say thank you and God bless you to subscribe to me. And I love you guys and I appreciate. Right now, I'm making some water to make some coffee. And right here, oh, it smells so bad. I don't like parsley. It smell. It have a nasty smell. I just don't like the smell of parsley. But I know it's good for you. It's very good for your inside. But I just don't like the smell. Mm-mm. 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 Go, 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 go. Yeah. Don't Jesus. I don't think it's a good idea. The kitchen sink is a spitting, huh?